Could you tell us a bit about the payments that
Yes.
you use for
Yes, so the payment is, as I have told, everything is, the agent, role of agent is to send the code, is not to send the analysis. So that will eliminate the real bottleneck. And at that time, the usage will come down. Over here, the user can take the promised tokens, and of course, the user can make a purchase of tokens, not through crypto or credit card. And then it has a free token size, and after that you have to pay. And it will not keep triggering you each prompt, like for daily how much token you have used, and for token how much you have paid. Yes.
And so the ARC is a settlement rail, so how are you using ARC?
It's just a demo phase, so the user will have to have ARC account to be able to pay through ARC. This is just a demo stage and development stage. Yes. The user has to have account to be able to pay.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
Time for the team. The world's first incentive rewards Visa card with a long name. And the next one will have team Omniarc. Is it? Oh, okay, you're here.
You need the monitor plugged in? Can you unplug the monitor? You can unplug the monitor, right? You don't need it. But isn't that what's, there's nothing else powering the monitor, right? Oh, it's the USB-C.
All right.
Hi, I'm here to show you the Vicar Viral Growth Network powered by ARC. And so back in the 2000s, viral was a thing, spearheaded by Facebook, LinkedIn, and the like. Last decade, mobile sort of killed that, and now AI is bringing it back, though it is sort of spiky and low retention. But A16Z says opportunity abounds. It's time to revive the discipline with AI. And so that's what Vicar intends to do. Be the first viral growth network backed by stablecoins, where members get paid to create, share, and remix. And it's powered by USDC Omniarc. And so the way it works is Vicar sits in the middle of all the platforms, by putting platforms like Replit, Lovable, and even Circle. And outside of that, you have all the users who are creating content, calculators, trackers, all the different apps that are out there. And so the thinking is that the platforms would pay to promote their apps being built on their platforms, and they would fund a reward pool. And the creators would add the code, the code for their sites, and then people would be tracked for all the viral activity that they do. And that would create more users on the platforms, more users on the apps, and the cycle would repeat. Why is this now? Well, 2025 was the first time that all the pieces were in place to make it happen. Native USDC, embedded wallets, and micropayments using X402. And low gas costs. Couple that with content growth, 100,000 apps per day, the reach that all these apps are going to need, and combine that with crypto leverage, you could really power some viral growth. And so this is the system architecture. It starts with both. It starts with fiat on the funding side and on the payout side. We're not going to focus on that now. We're just looking at the core on-chain structure in the middle that starts with a rewards pool that's USDC Treasury, then a viral network on top of ARC, and then X402 splits, and those splits come out into non-custodial wallets. And I'm going to show you the first two examples of the first two, and then a live demo of the whole thing. Okay. I'm going to run out of time here shortly, so I'm just going to, these are some of the apps and the snippet of code. This is what viral growth might look like. And then here's the live demo. I'm going to run show you how 3 payouts to the creator, the sharer, and the remixer would look. And it's running right now. And there it goes. And you can see the payments going out, and you can ask me a question about looking at these transactions if you want, since I'm out of time.
So time for questions. And by the way, if you'd like to explore all the demos, all the projects that have been submitted for the hackathon are now discoverable on the event page. So the same one that we used to register, so you can explore all the absolute other fields. And now it's time for the questions. Anyone?
So the vibe coder will add some metadata to their components that highlight how much they want to charge per usage of their vibe coding template.
Yeah, that's sort of the second go-to-market would be the individual creators. But the first go-to-market is to go to the vibe coding platforms and get them to promote that snippet of code to have their creators put that in their app. So if we were doing something with Circle Builder, they would recommend to everybody using Circle Builder or App Builder to put that code in. And Circle would get the word out for the platform as well as the creators that are building on that platform.
Thank you. Now it's time for the team Omniarc, and straight after that, Talent Ninja. Is the team Talent Ninja in here? All right, so you'll go next. Let me know when you're ready.
Hello everyone, I'm Chloe and I'm the product owner of Omniarc. I'm presenting on behalf of my team, and we built our